Good afternoon, it's Gillykube from the Sunshine Coast in Queensland, Australia, coming to you with a pour on a nice big round. This is a Mont canvas that's triple treated, gessoed, and this one is 40 centimetres, which is about 15.5 inches. I've got my old big Lazy Susan here that I used to paint on all the time. I'm not particularly thinking that I shall spin it because I'll get paint everywhere and I haven't got one of those paint catchers, paint boxes yet. But I just put it on there because I want to do a kind of another pseudo swipe. No, I don't. I've done a pseudo swipe. I want to do blow it out, but I'm trying to sort of do the Dutch pour. I may add some Aussie kisses, but I'm going to do it with the Boom gel paints. These are a pre-made paints that you don't have to do anything to except give a good shake and use a very small amount. So I'm going to actually use them. I'm not going to thin them down. I'm going to see if I can actually blow them out over a thin base. So it's kind of another test to see if that will happen. If not, you know, then I'll end up doing something else. I might swipe it. Who knows? But the base coats that I'm using this is the Mont signature acrylics that I have mixed with the acrylic flow pour medium, this particular one. So it's a bit different than my other, and water. So I just mixed it to a very thin mixture, and then I've done the same with a navy that I made up out of the phthalo blue, one blob of black and a blob of dark green. Then it gives you this nice navy. But what I did with these two base coats, in the white I've added the dragonfly glaze, which supposedly gives it this lovely shimmery effect. So I've just added that to my white, the dragonfly glaze, and to my navy I added the fluidart. That one's metallic sequin black. I added that to my navy, metallic sequin black. So. And the other little new product that I'm gonna try is chameleon. Where is it? This was from the Boom. It's from the Boom Cell Stain people, the same manufacturers of it, and this is their pigment. It's a chameleon pigment, green, yellow, blue, purple. So I am not sure if I am meant to. Well, I've made this pigment up with a little bit of the Mont pouring. No, I haven't. I've made it up with. Sorry, I've made that one up with the Boom Cell Clear Flow Medium. So that's what I've made that one up with. I'm just going to put it in my Dutch pour, but like I said, this is quite thick, so maybe I need to water it down. But I'll just see how we go as we go, because this is just to see if I can still blow out the paints at the thickness that they come, except for my base. So I'm going to do basically half and half. I can see my granddaughter heading down this way now. So she's come to visit with me just at the time where I'm doing my video. But that's okay. I will let her know as soon as she walks in. So this is the navy, and I can see the glisten already in this particular one from that dragonfly. No, what's that one? The fluidart. Metallic black I'll put in that, so it's giving some of this lovely metallic colour in it. So I can see that in there, and that's looking all glistening I'm not going to worry too much about my sides at this point, because I can blow the paint over the sides. My dogs, oh my goodness. Now the white that I added the dragonfly glaze to, so hopefully this will give another gorgeous glistening effect. We will see, see how it goes. So it's kind of, I should probably use my spatula, would have been far more useful. And I've got it on this lovely Lazy Susan that used to be on my barbecue table when we had all the family, so you could put condiments on it and wheel it round, but obviously I've found another use for it now with my acrylic art. So there you go. Everything in my kitchen is ending up in my art room, and I guess that's probably the same for all of you guys. So I'll put a bit thicker down the centre because that's where I'm going to blow it from. That's that. So it'll be interesting to see how those glazes dry. And I'm going to use my Boom Gel Stain. Is a pre-made pouring paint that's pre-made to do a lacing effect and a bloom effect, but without having to think about it basically and add all the different ingredients. So I'm going to just pouring it straight from the bottle, and you only need a very small amount. So this one is the Pinnacle Sand. Pinnacle Sand, Mana Crab Blue. So I'll put that over on this side because try and metallic silver. Be interesting to see if they just will blow directly from the bottle. This is the pearlescent dark blue. Oop. Pearlescent dark blue, and this is the pearlescent teal. I think it's pearlescent teal. Let me just double check. Pearlescent teal, yes. So. And then I'm going to, I have these bottles made up, these little bottles with the nib. This is the pearlescent, well no, the metallic copper. And I just put a few drops of the Boom Booster, if I can find it. Put a few drops of Boom Booster just in this one only. So I will be interesting to see if this blows, if she blows. Now I'm going to just pour some of this chameleon, just hoping that it gives like a glistening effect over it. I don't know, it gives it you know, it's like the colour shift, I would imagine, but it's in a pigment. So there you go. I'm going to try all these new things. Very exciting, very exciting. So I think I will start with my hairdryer. I think I'll blow it out with the hairdryer. Now I've been told, because I did ask for anybody that got any tips and tricks, that just have the minimal amount of blows with the hairdryer and then work from there with just your mouth or the straw. So I'm going to try that. I'm going to try it. So I'll bring it round here to blow out that way first. Keep it on cool. This is a big cumbersome hairdryer and I do not like it for this kind of no, that's that one. Put it on cool. Wowzers! you. Just think it needs something going this side. I'm loving that yellow and blue in there, so I think I'll put some more of this on that side. The Mana Crab blue, which is gorgeous. And it has celled up because I had the boom booster in it. I think I'll add a little bit more silver. And the pearlescent teal. You hear the kookaburras? I will see if I can blow it over that way. Okay, I've been told not to blow it anymore. If you need any more blowing, do it with a straw or your mouth. So I don't know if turning it will actually do anything on this particular pour, but let me get my, it's just a stainless steel straw. At the end that normally goes in your mouth, I blow it with because it's got that turn. Wow, look at those cells there. Gorgeous. And I can see in that navy that really glistening from the metallic sequin black that I put in it. So hopefully when it dries, just a little bit of time, noodle in it. Not sure if I need to go over that any further, but I am quite happy with that. I think just using my little bamboo skewer to run a bit of lines through it like that, so you take off any sharpness in there. Some of the pieces that might look a bit bluntish, I'm going to bring some of the blue through that. And some of the yellow through there. So just work with it and just take your time and enjoy the process, because that's what this is really all about, is art for therapy. And if you get to sell them, then that's a double whammy bonus, isn't it? Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. So yeah, it's quite therapeutic just working with the little bamboo skewer. That's all it is, just to add some soft edges, whimsical. I've got this really lovely lacing happening here, and that's beautiful, just to have a bit of different areas. Well, it's all different, none of it's the same. Well, that's gorgeous. I'm loving it. My new big round canvas is very pleased with them. So I will finish off my edges. Even if you finish them off when they're dry, that this camera is not showing the colours at all through this lens. What is going on? Anybody know? Oh, this is crazy. It is just so bright and vibrant. It is gorgeous. Okay guys, I'm loving that, really loving it. So hope you do too. Thank you so much for joining me. Thanks for subscribing to my channel. I appreciate each and every one of you. I want you to stay safe, stay connected. Nobody should feel lonely. Please do things that give you joy. And until next time, which is tomorrow. So every day I put a video out for you guys to hopefully enjoy, and hopefully you get something from it, whether it's just enjoy watching or you get some info that you want to try or an idea, then that's what it's all about. So bye for now guys, take care.